So it's time to run the giveaway. So somewhere in this video, I'm gonna post the code to Runex. So if you're lucky enough, if you're not gonna skip the video, you'll be able to find the code. So once you're gonna find the code, you'll need to go to Runex Discord, and then you'll need to just basically go to command section, just say /Runex, and then once you do that, you'll need to input your code, and then your bot's gonna pop up. You're not gonna see this because I have my account already activated, but you'll need to click on the bot and you need to just say /check DM, and then your bot is gonna pop up, and then you will just need to say again Runex, and then your account will be activated. So simple as that. So that's basically it, and in the description you're gonna find the guide how to do it as well. So quickly about Runex, I covered this multiple times on my channel, and if you don't know, they are going to be launching the Runex token in April when the Rune standard will be live. And now they have this campaign where you can farm your points. You can essentially stake your Bitcoin as well to earn some points as well. So essentially by trading your assets, you earning points. And at the end, from the points you accumulated, you earn a different amount of tokens. The next one I want to talk about, BTC native stablecoin protocol Trailblazer. And what's special about them is they are funded by OKX Ventures. So you can see that that's pretty big news, that we have some of these big protocols on Bitcoin. They are being funded by one of the biggest VCs in the space. And if you go to the website, it looks professional. We have this retro style, we have this arcade game, I would say, and we have like different features, like for example minting, but it's not active yet, and we don't know anything what we can do in here, but it looks like we have some name, issuer, amount. So it looks like there will be like maybe fair mint, where you're gonna have some certain allocation and maybe whitelist, and you can mint certain amount of token. So quick alpha, I'm gonna show you that you can essentially get the OG pass NFT. So I'm gonna link this down below, and you have a chance to win whitelist spots. With that being said, maybe if you're gonna win the raffle, you will go to the official website and you can use this OG floppy disk to mint your tokens perhaps. So another one that I want to talk about is Quantum Cats again. And what happened with them, essentially they postponed the mint again on the February 5th. And they underestimated the demand, and that's a pretty big issue because I think they're supposed to handle that in a better way. So now essentially they are working with Ordinal Hub and Luxor to build the minting experience, and this company essentially helped to develop mint experiences for Yuga Labs and Digos, basically the top tier Ethereum brands. So we have 4 more days to participate, and I'm still bullish on Quantum Cats. We'll see how this is gonna perform. I think the demand is still there and the hype is still there as well. And even though the team fumbled, I think this project has legs moving forward. Maybe they're gonna announce something really bullish and we're gonna see even more demand on the secondary market. The other pretty big news we have is Binance Ordinals wallet is out, and you can see in this wallet we have the inscriptions marketplace. So that's pretty big news. We have top Bitcoin coins like Track, Stats, BMP, Ordi, Ghosty. That's pretty big news because that's gonna open up for normies to crypt, like for people that never heard about Ordinals and BRC20 tokens. So now they have the chance to easily buy them off the exchange through Binance Wallet. Next up, we have the update from Leonidas, and you can see Runestone airdrop will spawn to plus 2000 Ordinals collections. You can see all of different collections in here, like for example bitmap. So we have over 12,000 unique holders. You can see a ton of different collections, and this is going to be the most distributed token in the entire Ordinal space. And I do not expect this token is going to be worth a lot. Broad distribution is really important for the token to perform well. And of course there's no utility, no roadmap, it's purely for experiment purposes. So it's cool to see that he came up with the initiative for the entire Ordinal space. So now let's jump into some of these Ordinals collections that are coming soon. One of these projects is Deus Ex Machina, and this project is coming on the February 6th, and it's gonna cost 0.01 BTC, and supply is going to be 400 pieces. You can see how detailed this collection is. You can read about the collection more in detail, about the complexity. I'm gonna link this post down below if you wanna read in detail. And this is how the art presents itself. And they're going to have 12 traits, 24 palettes. And in my opinion, that's one of the better looking artwork on Bitcoin so far. The only one issue I have with is not with the project, but with the timing they're trying to launch. And essentially they're going to be launching one day after Quantum Cats. And you can imagine that Quantum Cats is gonna suck a lot of liquidity from the market. Pretty much everything is gonna flow into Quantum Cats if we're gonna see a huge demand on the secondary market. So this project, even though despite the lower price, 0.01 is not the cheapest one, but it's still going to probably require a lot of eyes on the project and a lot of attention to sell out. So the next update we have is from Flora Forms, and they're going to be minting on 14th of February, and this is going to be a free mint. So I made a video on my channel already if you want to learn more about Flora Forms, but you can see how the art looks like. It's really detailed and really nice. And Harto has a proven track record. His pieces did really well. So this one It's pre-mint, so I don't see any issues. Why wouldn't you mint that if you have a whitelist? It's going to be profitable right off the bat. Of course, don't quote me on that. Anything can happen. But right now, the project is set to do well. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you enjoyed this content, let me know in the comment down below. I hope you found the code. Someone was lucky to get it. So hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.